Hello class, my name is Sir John Lloyd Bisperas and your name is?
My name is Ken, sir.
Okay, before we start, may papanood muna akong video sa'yo. So, okay, tapos na tayo sa video. And next we proceed counting number. Repeat after me. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
So, isa-shuffle ko siya at i-identify mo kung anong number yon. What number is this?
6.
Tama. What number is this?
1 po, sir.
Tama. What number is this? This is a number 8.
8, sir.
What number is this? Okay, Ken, this is a number 9.
Number 9, sir.
Here. This is, what number is this?
Number 10 po, sir.
Correct. So ngayon, alam mo na ang mga numbers. And let's proceed sa counting naman. Okay, Ken. I have a white chalkboard here. And answer it. How many stars indicate here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, sir.
Correct. This is a number 5. How many pencil naman?
1, 2, 3. 3 po, sir.
Correct. How many eggs are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 po, sir.
Correct again. How many triangle?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 po, sir.
9 triangles. How many heart?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 po, sir.
Okay. How many boxes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 po, sir.
Correct. Very good student. Network ako sa'yo. Try to answer this one. Count the object and color the matching number. Here's the color. Pagbutihin mo.
One, two, three, 4. One. One, two. Two frog. One, two, three. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 6 beetles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flowers.
Are you finished, Ken?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, you know the answer, huh?